Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I have some friend mail and one of them is a subscription box, but Moon Dust Psychic Medium, which is Misty, a dear friend of mine, Misty, she sent me a gift and it ended up that they sent it in two different packages. So I received the second package and this was in a bigger box. I know what it is because she told me, but I haven't opened it all the way yet. It is a wind chime. She sent me a beautiful bird feeder that I will put that video below if you'd like to see that, if you haven't already, pardon me. And she sent me a wind chime, so it's wrapped up real good. And then I also have some other friend mail. And let me unwrap this, I'll be back. All right, y'all, this is so beautiful. Here is the hook for it. And you can hear how beautiful it is. This is metal, and this is wood. I think maybe that's wood too. No, I think it's metal. And then there's 4 different size chimes, and the chimes have sunflowers on them, and they all say something on them. They say, family fills your life with joy, your soul with sunshine, and your heart with love. Isn't that beautiful? So I'll be putting that outside. And it's just beautiful. Misty, I love that. Thank you so much. Now, if I can just keep it from... Okay, she left. She left. I'm going to put that right down in front of me. And then I'm going to show you the other friend mail. Thank you so much, Misty. I love it. I absolutely love it. The other friend mail is from Janet. Janet is a subscriber and she lives in Hawaii. And she sent me 3 boxes from Klever Beauty Box. And I believe how they were going to come was like 1 each month. So I got one in August. I think I got one in July. I'd have to look back. July, August, and now September. No, maybe, I can't. I'll tell you something, y'all. It got a little confusing because Klever Beauty Box sent me a couple boxes also. So I think I've had 3 boxes so far. So this is the fourth, this is the second box, I think, from Janet. And then there'll be one more in October, I think. And Klever Beauty Box, you know, they just said, can we send you a couple boxes? So they did. So I think they're done sending me boxes. So anyway, let's see what's in here because they did say that they make sure you don't get any repeats. But since they were sending to me directly and then Janet was sending to me, I don't know if they have linked the addresses or what. I'm not real sure. So this is what it looks like when you get it. It's in a white bubble mailer. So I took that off and it's a really nice box. It says, I believe you've been expecting me. And then it says Klever and Klever Beauty Box over there. And this is a really nice box. Klever Beauty Box, if you haven't seen my other videos, it is an Asian indie products, and they guarantee you 8 makeup items. And yeah, let's see what's in there. And when you open it, it's wrapped really pretty. It's nice pink. It says surprise, and then this is wrapped really nice. It says, are you ready? So let's open it up. Now I have no idea if this is going to be one I've already had or not. Okay, yes, this one is one that I just got. So, but I'm gonna unwrap, I'm gonna take the plastic off things and I'll show you what's in there, okay? I have everything opened and I will swatch, and I'll put below the video of the other. I'm not sure which one came from Janet, which one came from Klever Beauty Box directly, but I did think that other one was from Klever Beauty Box directly, so it doesn't really matter because they're the same box. And this was a nice box. There's 8 products in here. So I took my lipstick off because I wanted to show you this. This is Poudre lip tint, and I just thought it was the coolest thing. It looks like a Halloween item, and I'm gonna put it on. It's a lip stain. I did show it to you on my skin, but I didn't put it on my lips because I had a lippy on before. Well, Camille, I think, is laying right on my mirror. So I have this other little mirror. I'm just gonna try to put it on here. It's very thin. It's supposed to be just a tint. It tastes a little like candy. It smells like candy. And tastes like candy. Whoops, I'm getting stuck with my necklace. Oops. I don't have the best mirror here because, oops. Oh, it dries quickly. I like that. So you're supposed to be able to build it up. Okay, so that's pretty. And it's a lip tint. It's like water. It feels like water. It smells sweet like candy, like I said, and it's a little wet, and then it dries, and then it stays on. I think it'll stay on. It's not all the way dry. I was gonna say, let me drink a little water, see if it comes off. It came off a little bit, but it's still a little wet. I think it's gonna dry down and then stay on all day. I think, I'm not real sure, but that I thought was very interesting. And I do like it. It's pretty. I put on, you know, like 2 layers, and you could do it lighter if you wanted a lighter look. So next we had this beautiful Derol Glow Blush. This is the clear, what does it say? The clear color of dew. So this is a really interesting container. So when you open that up, here it is, and you will turn it like a deodorant, and it is orange. You can use this to say on your it's a blush and for your lips. Yeah, multi-stick for lips and cheeks. Okay, so when I had put it on before, I swiped it pretty hard, so I'm going to go lighter. It's a real nice orange, and then you would blend it in. It would be real pretty on lips too, I think. See, it blends very nicely, and it's a nice solid. You know, I just love this container. It's really cool. And then you just can turn it up. It's cool. So I'm gonna put that cap back on, but it looks very nice. And we have a little brush, and this is the brush. It is, it says on it, I'm Magic. And it's just a nice little brush. I think it would be nice with something else that's in here. It has a little bit of an angle to it. You can see that. And it's nice and dense, and it's super soft. And we do have this Mini Star Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder. And it does say banana at the top. And banana powders are really for under your eyes. So when you open this up, it has a puff, you know, a little pad, and then little holes in there, you know, like salt and pepper coming out. And then you put it on, and you'll just blend it in. You can use this pad, or you can use this. And this would be nice. Let's see, get a little more out. If this is a banana powder, a little yellow, then it would go really nice under your eyes. That's what I do with banana powder. I put it here. So this brush is really good for that. So that is nice. And this powder is nice. You know, a finishing powder, even though it does have a bit of a color to it, it's usually blends in with supposedly any skin tone. I don't know how true that is. You know, the darker your skin goes, I don't know if that's true. Y'all would have to tell me. And then we have this lippy. This is by the brand Poudre again. It's a liquid matte lipstick, it says. And it is beautiful, y'all, but it's like a chocolate, and I won't ever wear it, so I did not want to swatch it because I'd rather pass it on to somebody. It's really, really pretty, though. Very pretty chocolate color. And it's probably, I'm sure it's a doe foot in there. So that's very pretty. I like that. And then we have this She Does brand Big Lash Volume Mascara. it says 3-in-1. I'm not sure what the 3-in-1 means. I couldn't find anything on the instructions or the ingredients as to what that means with this particular item. It says paste with light and soft rich black color, waterproof, thick long curling, a fixed high elastic silicone brush head. Now it is a nice brush, but I have used it a couple times and I hardly get any color on my eyes. I really think it's the really pretty packaging, and the brush is really, really nice. I love it. I love a big brush like that. But when I put it on my eyes, I don't really see much, and of course you're not going to see it very well. But when I put it, if I swatch it on my skin, it's the color's there. There's color there, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's just very faint, if you can see. So I don't know if it needs to be mixed up more. Maybe if I work with it, I'm not real sure. But that is the mascara. And then we have, let me see how many things, 1, 2, 3. Make sure we don't miss anything. Then we have, this is beautiful. This packaging is beautiful. And I think this is from Egypt. Look how pretty that is, y'all. That says Yankina, Yanqina. This is Jewel Light Shimmering, and this is an eyeshadow, a liquid eyeshadow, and it's absolutely stunning. The packaging is beautiful, and I'm not real big on liquid eyeshadows, but you know what? I've been getting them here lately, so I'll use it. This is just gorgeous on. And I think you could even use it as a highlighter if you wanted to. It is so sparkly. Put some more on, and so that you can maybe see it. There, can you catch the light? So it's very, very beautiful. The sparkles are just so pretty in it. There's just a bunch of sparkles in it. And the packaging, it's so cute. You know, it's looks like diamonds, y'all. Looks like diamonds. So that's very beautiful. And then I think the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the last thing is this mini star, this palette. Now in each box now I have gotten a palette every time. The first box I got an eyeshadow palette. The second I got a blush and highlight palette, a face palette, and then this is a whoops, something just fell. I'm not sure what it was, but this is a Ultra HD powder palette. So this is really interesting. It's a tin, and there you have 6 colors, and there you have 6 colors. So let me show it to you. It's really cool. When you open it, this is what you have. So all kinds of things here for, again, you know, like banana powder, face powders, depending on your skin tones. You can use things here as bronzers and contouring and all that, which I don't do any of that, y'all. So I will definitely be passing this on to one of y'all. But I do know a couple people that like to contour, and I think they would like this. It's just 12 shades. I think that's pretty cool. So thank you so much, Janet and or Klever Beauty Box. I think this, the other one I announced as Klever Beauty Box gave it to me. So this one I'll say Janet did. I thank you so much. And like I said, I'll put that video below. And thank you so much to Misty for the beautiful wind chimes. I love them, and I will be putting them out shortly. And with the bird feeder, it's just beautiful. I'll put that video below also. And everything is just, this stuff is fun. It's fun. We've got the palette, we've got the finishing powder, we've got the liquid eyeshadow, this really cool blush, the mascara, the brush, this awesome lip tint. Now it's dry now, and it feels good. My lips are not dried out, not at all. There's this lip, which this said this was a matte lip, liquid matte. And I think that might be everything. Did I say 8 things? There's 8 things in here. So thank you so much, Janet. You're so sweet to send this to me. It's so sweet. And y'all just, I just thank you all so much for being here. And thank you for the friend mail. And thank you all for stopping by to watch. And I appreciate you all very much. And count your blessings, everybody. Bye-bye.